Hello, boys and girls. This week we are going to talk about some actions related to the part of the body. So let's watch and listen this chant. Kick a ball.
A ball. It's a goal. Yay!
Yay!
Kick a ball. It's a goal. Yay!
Yay!
Clap your hands. Hug your friend. Clap your hands. Hug your friend.
Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Kick a ball. Good. Excellent. Clap your hands. Great. It's a goal. Good. Hug your friend. Excellent. Great job. Bye-bye.